Our story starts millions of years ago, when the remains of plants and animals began a process that turned them into stone-like structures. This process is what we call fossilization. Fossilization can preserve dead organisms' original material or even their shape. There are several types of fossilization, including permineralization, petrifaction, and amber preservation.
Permineralization occurs when water surrounds the remains, depositing minerals in the organism's cells.
Petrifaction is a process in which organic materials are completely replaced by minerals. Amber preservation occurs when creatures become trapped in tree resin that hardens into amber. Fossils have allowed us to learn a great deal about the history of life, ancient climates, and geologic events on Earth.
Preserved footprints, or trace fossils, provide clues about animal behavior.
Mary Anning, known as the first paleontologist, discovered her first full ichthyosaur fossil at the age of 12. Fossils can be found on every continent on Earth.
Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas are formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals.
The word fossil comes from the Latin word fossilis, meaning dug up.
Petrified wood is the state fossil of Washington. Fossils can provide information about where ancient shorelines were.
Organisms with hard parts, like bones or shells, are more likely to be preserved.
Soft-bodied creatures like worms and jellyfish have a slim chance of fossilizing.
Some fossils, called microfossils, are so small they require a microscope to be seen.
The biggest dinosaur fossil ever found is the Argentinosaurus, estimated to have been over 32 feet tall.
Coprolites are fossilized feces that can provide plenty of information about the diet and health of ancient creatures. The oldest known fossils, known as stromatolites, are around 3.7 billion years old.
Some fossils, like gastroliths, aren't parts of animals at all, but stones that dinosaurs swallowed to help them digest.
Amber can preserve insects so well that scientists can study their cells. One paleontologist, Mary Leakey, discovered 3.6 million-year-old hominid footprints in Tanzania. The Burgess Shale in Canada has provided some of the best preservation of early life, down to its soft parts.
In the 1800s, a complete fossil of Archaeopteryx was found.
Carcharodontosaurus has the largest known dinosaur teeth. Each tooth is about 8 inches long. Australia is famed for its opalized fossils, which are fossils that turn to opal.
In Germany, a pigeon-sized fossil known as Scansoriopteryx was found with preserved feathers. We'll conclude with some food for thought. Every fossil we find is a window into an ancient world long past.